All right, just let me know if you can see me. Let me know if you can hear me. We are back. We're back. We're back. Okay, it looks like people are clicking now. There we go. Thank you, y'all. Appreciate the patience. So all I did was restart it. I don't know why I kept doing that. Like, I updated it this morning. So I don't know if the update didn't finish or what, but it said it was finished. I don't know. Maybe I had to just restart it one more time. Alrighty. Nice. Appreciate y'all pouring in. Okay. So here we go. Gold. We were on gold. Over here, alright. So yeah, dragging over this 4-hour line. Let's go down to the hourly. Okay. So when I look at this at the hourly, I kind of spot this zone right here. And I really want to drag this across so I can get rid of that daily line. Okay, so we should be good there. We should be good here. So I'm thinking it is a possibility that gold can come all the way down here to this line today. Thinking it may be a possibility, so we shall see. That's the 4-hour fill. What's it look like here in the 1 hour? It's right here in the 1 hour. Let's delete that. Put a 1 hour low here. Oh my goodness. Come on, TradingView, don't do that to us. Let's go down to the 30-minute. Alright, yeah, so I mean, we're pretty much just going to be watching this. I'd rather wait for a pullback before getting into sells. But we may be at a sell-off point today, so let's see. So yeah, I'm thinking we may come all the way down to here if we continue to break this low. But other than that, let's see if we get a pullback first. I'm just going to turn on those zones, and that's about it. That's about it. So we're just gonna stay zoomed in, and we're going to monitor this like so. So now we wait. So kind of have our bias for the day, just waiting for a setup. That's pretty much how it's gonna go. Matazo ZA, I see you. Seems all good. Gannon, good morning. What's the most pips you ever got in one trade? Like right under 400, like 375, somewhere in that area. I don't know the exact number, but somewhere between 375 and 380. Somewhere between there. 300 and something, I don't know. I don't know the exact number, but yeah, that's actually a good question. Let me know in the chat, what is the most amount of pips you got in a trade? Because I know we have seasoned traders here. We have people here who are full-time traders and professionals. We have people here who are new. We have people who are just learning. We have people who are intermediate. We got everybody here, so let me know. Sir Rich, good morning. Peace, love, light, and healing. Peace to the earth. Peace to the gods. Mathematics. Appreciate that, Nate Dog. Appreciate that. Good energy there. Later we have ADP News. Yes, Calvin. Yep. Mama Bess, good morning. Hi, Alexander. I see you. Michelle, good afternoon. Jamel, you're back. Let's go. Hi, Sean from Trinidad. I see you. 150 is your most? 60? 100 pips, nice. 123. You like my hat? Thank you. Appreciate that. Burberry drip. 200 pips, nice. Maybe near 200. Okay. 530. Woo. Nice. That was a big one, huh? 110 was your highest? Nice tongue twist. It seems like most people are around 100 or 200. 257 on UJ? Yo, liquidity, that's crazy. Most pips I've gotten was 85. Ooh, on NAS, okay. Paulo, good morning. 1600 on US30, nice. Dennis, 330. 2000. Oh, 3-day swing? Wow. You were ranking it in. Back when Trump was president, if you were trading, I don't know if some of you were trading then, but if you were, then you know what I'm talking about. But when Trump was president, every time he tweeted out something, US30 went crazy. Like, I'm talking hundreds of pips. So you can get 1,000 pips in a day. It's crazy. Let me know if you were trading during that time. Like, it was insane. I was like, what the heck? Anytime he puts out a tweet, boom. It was just crazy. But yeah, I don't know. The market was so volatile towards whatever he was saying. Flamco, good morning. $100 pips on the EU, nice, Malo. You never stayed in after 50. Hey, that's honest, right? You was trading then, you heard about those days? Yeah, those were the days. That was just like, it was like easy money. It was like all you had to do was turn on notifications and just know when there's a tweet out and just look at the chart and be like, oh, there it goes. You know he was trading US30? That's funny. Isn't pimp win subjective since it doesn't consider risk? I guess. I mean, it's all in who you're talking to, right? It all matters. Risk matters. Pips matters. Everything matters. But I mean, we're not being that technical about it, right? I tell you what. You want the honest truth? The people who are being really, really technical and petty about it are the people who aren't full-time traders. Those are the only people who are technical about it. It's the same thing like NAS in US30, right? Sometimes I say pips because I'm used to saying pips, but it's really called points. But the people who are really technical about correcting you about pips, saying pips and points, are people who aren't even trading full-time. Trust me, those are the only people that care. People who are losing and emptying their accounts. So I mean, it really doesn't matter, right? Whether if you won, put it in this perspective. If you made 300 pips on US30 and you were telling your friend, and by accident you said pips instead of points, right? Imagine you said, oh, I won 300 pips on US30, but you meant to say points. And that person starts like correcting you and correcting you and correcting you. Does that really affect the money you just made? Let me know in the chat. Does that really affect the money? You just made like 30 grand off of US30 and you said pips instead of points. Does that really affect it? Let me know. Did that change the win you just had? Did that change your profitability, your consistency? No, it didn't. So it really doesn't matter. It's just words. It's just words, chat. It's not that serious. Don't get me wrong, though. I mean, if you're teaching, you know, if you are, I'm scared of 30. If you're teaching, then obviously you want to teach people the correct terms, of course. But we're just talking about like regular stuff, you know. But the point of me saying that is because I want you to have the same mindset, you know, when you're winning right now. Have the same mindset. You know, when you get into trading, it's going to be people around you clouding your judgment about, oh, maybe you shouldn't trade, maybe you shouldn't do this. You got to ignore the noise. It's all coming from people who don't really do it. So ignore the noise and just trade. Hope you're doing well. What's up, Dr. Ben? I see you. Let's kill it today. You know it. Welcome back. If TradingView didn't offer bar replay, would you pay for backtesting software to get faster results on practicing a strategy? I don't know because I'm not in that position. So I can't tell you. I can't tell you. I'm not in that position. What matters is what I earned, right? Exactly. That's what matters. Let's see. Gold's looking standstill. Let's check out GJ. 18 pips, huh? Let's see. Watching both of these. Money will always be green. You can never appease a perfectionist. That's true. That is true. Patrice, hello. Good morning. Welcome back. Bye, GJ already melt. Yeah, but I mean, GJ, you know, it's in a tricky spot because, like I said, you had to think about where you would put your stop loss, and you don't want to have a 22 pip stop loss going for 20 pips. That's kind of a negative R to R, so I didn't really see a means in getting in this one. And then the other spot where your stop loss would be, we didn't know if the next hourly candle would come up and test it, so it's in a little tricky spot. That's okay though. Boss, do you have your broker bonus deposit, like free money, non-withdrawable? Yeah, so actually, good question. We're gonna go over that on Monday. So Monday coming up, this Monday, we're actually gonna be going over that. So you're gonna see it on screen. I'm actually gonna pull up the account so you can see it. Those who are already members, the members already seen it. The members already seen the account we're going to be using for next week when we start doing a flip series here on the YouTube channel. So I'm excited. And if you are new here, if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to pull it up for you. Just give me a second. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, next week, this is the last week that we're going to be trading like this. So this is the last week where you're just going to see TradingView. This is the last week with the black thumbnail that I have. Starting next week, this is what the thumbnail is going to look like. We're going to be on MT5. We're going to be starting with 5,000 and flipping it over to 100K. So I'm using Monday stream to explain everything. So no worries. So come through on Monday if you want to see everything. If you want to see the strategy, you want to see the plan, how we're gonna be approaching this, all that good stuff. We're going through it from top to bottom, leverage, broker, everything, deposit, everything. We're going through all that on Monday. Why? Because Monday's a holiday, so it's gonna be slow. So that's what we're gonna be talking about. All right, and we're gonna have the MT5 up too on Monday. Sounds good? Sound good? So stay tuned. Couple more days. But yeah, it'll be like that for the rest of the year. So that's beautiful. Appreciate you. No problem. I'm new to the channel. Welcome. Deontay with the balloons. Wait, Deontay, is it your birthday? NAS setting up too early? I'm scared to take a look at it. Uh-oh. Let's take a little peek. And also, if you notice, I'm not going to say none. I'm going to see if you can tell. What did I change, chat? What did I add back to the streams? Let me see who's always here. Did anybody notice anything? What did I add back onto the streams? Let's see who gets it. No, on the 9th? Oh, your birthday's on the 9th? Okay. Remove the chat? Oh, no, yeah, I did remove the chat. Okay, you're right. But that's not what I was talking about, though. But you are right. Yeah, dang, y'all are quick. What the heck? Bro, I can't even... That was quick. I honestly didn't think you would notice because it was in the title. Yes, US30. 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 It's back. It's back. The last time we traded US30, what was that pip call out? We had like what? Wasn't that like a 300 pip call out we had? I'm pretty sure. The last time we traded US30 on stream here. So what happened was I switched it out for NAS so that we can focus on NAS more. I want us to focus on NAS. But now that we're ready, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it back on stream. So we're going to be utilizing both of these, and I think you're going to really enjoy that. Because I know we got people who just like NAS. We got people who just like US30. I personally like both of them. If you're wondering which one moves more, I mean, US30 moves more points if you want to be technical, you know. Don't look at it. He said don't look at NAS. I see what you're talking about. Just looking at the daily, I think, but let me I'm not gonna do my analysis yet because I don't usually do analysis till later on, but I think I see exactly what you're talking about. They do look like she's setting up early, but all right, we'll do NAS later on. We'll do NAS later on, but what we can do is we can take a look at US30. Okay, while we're waiting, let me just double check GJ and gold before we switch over. Okay, PS, good morning. Last night's back testing US30 had more than 500 pips, right? Yes. But yeah, I mean, yeah, so shout out to the members who came through last night. We did back testing for like over 2 hours on US30. So that was fun. And then we did some back testing for the news today. And then also shout out to Liquidity. This morning in the Discord, Liquidity was hosting London stream. So those of you who were in here during London stream this morning, look at Bacon. Bacon. Those of you who were in there this morning, shout out to everyone who came through that. So thank you, Liquidity, for hosting that for everyone there. But yeah, y'all, Discord link is pinned to the top if you're interested. All right. Promise I will read the chat after this. Let's just do the analysis and we'll get to business. We got about 4 minutes because I know the next 15-minute candle is about to close. So yeah, if you notice, I did change this over to like a little ice blue just to keep it a little different. All right, let's see here. The daily is resting on this zone. It's the only thing I don't like. But other than that, let's check out the 4 hour. It looks like it wants to come down, right? I mean, if we do come down, I'm gonna replace this. All right, if we do come down, then I'm thinking about 300 pips away. Okay. Switch this over to the hourly. All right, so now that we're looking at US30 on the hourly here, I just want to point out that we tapped into this zone already. Okay. We tapped into that area already, so I'm just going to put a line around it. Okay, and then I do want to point out that we tapped into somewhere, oh my goodness, tapped into somewhere down here, which made us kind of reverse up. And I do see a zone in here as well. So if we're coming down and retracing up, if we think price is going to continue down, we can probably grab our Fibonacci today. It's a nice tool, right? Let's get out our yellow box here. We may be headed towards this area. Let's delete that so we don't have too much on our chart. Okay, so that's right near our zone here. All right, let's hop down to the 30-minute now. You can hardly hear me? You can't hear me? Tamika, good morning. Oversimplified, hello, good morning, good morning. Trying to help everybody turn into diamonds. Yeah, there you go. What else here? Why does this chart look so nice? Is it just me? I don't know. I'm really liking this. I'm liking the color scheme here. Hopefully it's nice and clear to you. If it's not nice and clear to you, make sure you change the stream to 1080 HP. We do have 1080 HP streams. How do you have 50% when you draw? I went over yesterday. We had a whole stream on how to make templates. So just check out, because I did it for 2 hours yesterday for members. So just go check out yesterday's stream that we did there. And we did a whole overview of TradingView, and then we went over to the MT5. And you'll see we had our issues, but we got there, right, chat? Those of you who were there yesterday? That was funny. All right, what was I doing here? That was the hourly. Now we're on the 30-minute. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much what I see. Oh, I know what I wanted to do. I wanted to look for what this zone was. Let's come down here. It do be these 5-minute candles, huh? Let's get her down to the 1 minute. Lutho, hello. You loving the color scheme? I see you, Jamel. Just because it looks like that, I'm just gonna keep it like that for now. Okay. Let's match this up with here. All right, rocking and we're rolling. So this is what it looks like on the 5-minute. It looks like price is slowing up in momentum here. So if price is bearish today, if it is bearish, then I'm going to look for it to either retrace off of here and come down, or retrace off of this line and come down. Other than that, if I draw this again, if we draw this on the 4-hour, probably be better if we draw this on the 4-hour. Yeah, let's draw this on the 4-hour. Okay, so we got this. So the setup would either look like this, or like this, or like this. You know, it really would depend. Okay. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna do is switch this over. Exploit social, welcome. promise I'll catch up in the chat in a second. All right, there we go. Why is this box so wide though? What the heck? Alrighty. US30. Why is the video blurred? You gotta change it over to 1080 HP. Try that. Let me see here. 1 second, chat. I just need to add something to my phone. There we go. Okay. All right. So, I mean, that's what we're looking at. Let's just put a notification here. Let's put a notification here. Gold's looking like gold. GJ is looking like GJ. Okay. So actually, I guess we'll just focus on US30 then. Good evening, y'all. Good evening. Welcome, welcome. Those of you coming back, welcome, welcome. Appreciate you coming back here. JJ with the morning. Is that morning coffee or is that morning tea? Been following you low key. Appreciate that. How could I avoid taking a buy on that specific trade due to me thinking that it's a W formation? The way you avoid taking a trade is by not taking the trade. I mean, I don't really know any other way I can say, you know, I mean, it's kind of like the way you avoid leaving your house. You just don't leave the house, right? So, I don't know. You avoid going on your phone by turning off your phone, you know? So, maybe if you need to turn off your phone or turn off your computer, but you should be able to have the discipline to do that, right? It's called self-discipline. So, if you don't have that, then I don't know what to tell you. You gotta get on it. Glad to be here. Appreciate that. Trading definitely upgraded a bit. Yeah, you know it. And we're really upgrading next week. We're really going to be helping everyone next week. People in a little US30 action. Yeah, you know it, Christian. You know it. Hi, Chantel. Good morning. This was a good retracement, though. I wish we would have caught this down here. This was a really good retracement. I mean, it took a little bit to get up there, but appreciate the advice. No problem. Good afternoon, Alessandro. TP12 stream. You know it, Tamika. US30 is back. You know it. Where do you think it will go? You're going to have to rewind the streams. I just did the analysis on it. Can't register for Hanko Trade. What do I do? It could be because you live in the UK. If it's not that reason, then I don't know. You have to contact them. James, how long have you been streaming? Chat, how long have I been streaming, chat? How long have we been calling out live trades consistently on YouTube? Consistently live trades before they happen. How long have we been doing that on YouTube? Let's see. Who knows? That's a good test. Winterland, good morning. Thank you, Gaming Artifact. Lamel, not gonna lie, I tell people with trading without discipline, you're screwed. Good morning for a second time. Good morning. Can I do my Forex Funds challenge when you start your challenge next week? I'm going to say no. The reason I'm going to say no is because you're asking, right? If you have to ask somebody to do something, then you shouldn't be doing it, right? You have to be ready to do something in your mind. If you have to ask, that means you're not ready. You know, so you want to, oh, there goes our notification. You want to prepare yourself and make sure you're ready. Okay, we're coming up into the golden zone. Remember, we do have a line here that we're looking at. The height of this candle is 31,930. What's the height of the candle? So what we're looking to see is we're looking to see how price acts once it comes into this area. Will it tap this area? Will it reject this bank zone right here? Well, that's what we're looking to see. How does she behave? If we see an entry set up, then we will execute like so. So this is, oh wait, let me put it here so it's not in your way. This is 31850. So we're looking to see if she comes up to here, how she acts. Godcoin, good morning. Kevin, good morning. No job gonna give me 8K in a week. You made 8K this week? Stacy, good morning. Over 2 years? Over 2 years? You'll say I've been streaming over 2 years? 18 months? 1 year? I've been streaming since last year, the first week of March. So we'll do, where are we at now? April, May, June, July, August, September's tomorrow. So 1 year and 6 months. So I guess 1 year and a half. So the correct answer is 1.5 years live streaming, calling out live trades every single day consistently. It's a long time to be guessing, huh? Keep up the good work. Appreciate that. So that's 18 months. In other words, 18 months. Oh, you were right. Yeah. We was right from Naomi. Mama Bess, welcome to the official fam. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yo, 18 months strong. Jackson, good morning. GG's. Moshe, hello. That's how long I've been learning? Oh, nice. Thank you, Encore. Gonna run up a bag. My B-Day. You know I've been here for a while. There you go. I like that, Lamar. I like that confidence. Man, look at these candles. Patience, 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 huh? Jean, good morning. Welcome back. Been on fire winning? Yeah, we've been doing really good. Good morning, Jamel. Stacy's new. Welcome. Six-month member stickers are upgrading. Yo, yeah. So look, I forgot to announce that. So those of you who've been here since March as members, I know you've been here longer than that, but we started the memberships in March. So next month, which starts tomorrow, when you upgrade, you're going to get your blue crowns. That's going to be really cool to see in the chat. Let's see what those look like. And then after that is the 12-month badge. Now, the 12-month badge is a gold crown. The first gold crown I see in the chat, the first gold crown, wins a one-on-one. They win a funded challenge. And I may just give you some cash too on the side. First golden crown. Means you gotta keep up with your streak though. First person to get a golden crown in the chat. One-on-one. I'm gonna buy you a funded challenge, and then I'm gonna give you some cash on top of that. So it's really anybody's game. It's anybody's game. Trust me, I've seen these before. People could forget, then they lose their streak, you know? So it's anybody's game. So as long as you have a badge, hey. My money's on Denisha. You said that's not fair? I've been saying that since we first started the memberships. So how is that not fair? Life isn't fair. Accept it. It's not all peaches and cream. High impact news 8:15. Yep, we know 8:15. It may not do too much though. All right, gold. You know what? How much was this candle? 18 pips. Might not have been the worst of the worst. GJ still reversing back up. Okay. And US30. Let's see. The session Monday is at normal 6:30 or different time. We start these streams at 6:30 a.m. every single day for 1 year and a half straight. $6:30. Same time as regular. It's a regular live stream. The bank zone indicator part of the membership. Oh no, I'm not gonna say no names, but I'm not the, you got me mixed up. I'm not the YouTuber that sells you $120 Fibonacci. I'm not that YouTuber. I think you got me mixed up. There's other YouTubers that, you know, there's a specific YouTuber that sells you $120 Fibonacci, but you know what is it, $80 EMA, SMA? I'm not that person. The indicator's free. It's free for you to use, free for anybody. Even this one. This one's free too. Thank you. As a trader, not a salesman. Yeah, I got time to be selling you a $120 Fibonacci. That's crazy. That's tough. I feel bad for the people who paid for it and then they learned afterwards that the Fibonacci tool was here the whole time. That's tough. That's real tough. Don't tell me that was the retracement. Yeah, I am, peoples. Oh no, Lamel, you did. Lamel, no, no, you are peoples. You bought it. Oh man, did you get your money back? Now this is getting interesting. Give us the tea, Lamel. Did you? How pissed were you when you found out, Lamel? Let me know. Be honest. Oh, it was 2 years ago. How pissed off were you? Because if I were you, I would have been pissed off. Sad people take advantage of people, right? Yeah. Yeah, it'll come back on them. It'll come back. You know, karma is karma. Especially scamming a bunch of people. Trust me, karma is karma. Oh, you spent 30? Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. Because I seen the price was over 100, so okay. We could live with that. We could live with that. That's tough though. I'm sorry that you got scammed out of $30. I was like, nah, this. Nah, I was like, wait, this is free on TradingView. Oh man, I'm sorry, man. That's tough. That's so tough. But hey, like I said, you ain't gotta worry about it. Karma will get people. You know? That's tough. And by the way, anyone interested in learning how to use the Fibonacci, I have a free course on the Fibonacci on YouTube. It's a free course, so you can check it out. It is free. It is available to the public for everyone to view from beginning to ending. So if you never heard of a fib or if you really don't understand it, literally my course starts from the beginning to end. So if you have some time, go ahead and check it out. The chart theme is good. Appreciate that. Selling fast, man woke up one day, decided to secure the back. Jerry's so funny. So maybe so much money investing. Good. I'm glad you did. Just drink anybody's Kool-Aid. Is Fibonacci a type of pasta? You know, it does sound like pasta. But yeah, I have a free course on how to make pasta with the Fibonacci on my channel. Pasta Fibonacci. All right, let's see here. Wow. Playing so many games. Look at this. Yep. So this is what I was saying to y'all. Remember when I said, when we were doing analysis, I said, if we took a sell here, we'd have to have our stops around here because it wouldn't make sense for it to be up here. And I said, you don't know if the next candle, if it's going to wick up towards this area, you may get stopped out. And look at what we have here. It literally wicked up 1.2 pips away. With the spread, right? If you have a 2 pip spread, you might have got stopped out. So this is why we did not take sells here. You can rewind the stream. Literally called that whole thing that this was going to test here. Go ahead and rewind the beginning of the analysis. I like to see the person selling $100 Fibonacci's tell you that. That's funny though. So, you know, we're doing good. We're doing good. If we would have took that sell, we would have got stopped out. We're doing good. So nothing missed here. Researching gold. Looking back at gold, I'm thinking, okay, if we thought she was going to get up to this line, we probably should have took these buys, but that's okay. It is what it is. We should have took those buys. I think maybe that was the missed move of the morning. But, yeah, I'm thinking that was the move of the morning. That's all right, though. 7:15. How do I make my screen big like yours? Well, what do you mean by big? You mean like zoom in? Because you just zoom in with the mouse. With the scroll. Or you see my mouse look over here to the right. You change your perspective. Okay. Right here, just drag it up like that. And then you can zoom in. Is that what you meant? Course said get a bigger monitor. Yo, y'all are killing me today. E-Kill, good morning. Late to class, but not late for some cash. What's up, Global? I like that. Veronica Lynch, how do you put the pair in the background of the chart? Oh, it's called a watermark. So if you right click and you click settings, that's wrong. If you right click, I clicked the wrong settings, sorry. If you right click and you click settings, right here it says watermark. You can click it off, you can click it on. You can click this box right here and you can edit it. Mine's on 10%, but you can make it less see-through. Oh, that's no-go. But you can, you can play with it. So like I said, mine's on 10. But I mean, you can change the color too. You want to, be a little extra with it. Change the color if you want. Actually, maybe the pink kind of goes, no? What are we thinking, chat? Does the pink kind of go low key? Wait, let me put on 20. Is that different or what? Oh wait, y'all can't see that. Matter of fact, I don't even think it matters if y'all see it, because y'all be asking me every single stream, what pair are you on? What pair are you on? And I mean, come on. Or is that too light? Let me know, what do you think? Maybe I'll put it on 30. Too light. Use red. Make it gold. Uh-oh, we may need a poll. Change it to black. Try purple. Ooh, wait a minute. Blue may be too much because we already got blue. Black just goes, because it's black. I'm not gonna lie. I think the orange, black, pink, I think those are the ones that probably go the best. So orange, black, pink. Let's take a poll in the chat. I'm sorry if you named the color and it didn't get chosen. I'm so sorry. Oh, no, chat. Wait. I always do that. You don't have to type it. There's a poll. Nah, you're already typing it though. But there's a poll. There's a poll in the chat. Every time. I do that every time. I'm sorry. Gray black is a good combination. Uh-oh, I see a lot of people saying black. Let's see. Let's see how we really feel. Vote for your color. Forever hold your peace. Vote. Uh-oh, it looks like black's in the lead, honestly. Young Neon, good morning. Hi, versatility is key. Oh, shoot. Black is really in the lead. Dang, if this was a race, y'all are funny. I guess we don't need no more votes. That was quick. All right, we're going to end the poll at 300 votes. We're almost at 300 votes. 18 more people. My first profitable week in 8 months. Thank you so much. No problem. 300 votes. All right, we're into the poll. It was black by a long shot. So I'm going to put it back down to 10. All right. Well, that was easy. I voted pink. Black don't crack. Black on top. Hi, what's your trading style? Hi, Adi. My trading style, pretty much, I'm only up here for maybe a couple hours, so I guess you can call me a scalper. Not much of a swing trader at all, but I guess my trading style is just price action, pure price action. I'm not using like indicators and stuff like that. I'm just reading what the chart tells me. Reading the story. Tell us about Ethereum. Easy. All you gotta do is go to Google, go to YouTube, copy and paste Ethereum, and I promise you there's gonna be a whole bunch of information there for you to learn about Ethereum, because this is a Forex stream. But there you go. Try it. When you copy and paste something in Google, you'll be amazed. So try that, see if that helps. Can you explain why you're not buying gold? I'm not buying gold because I should, if I wanted to buy it, I should have got in down here. I should have either candle A or candle B. One of these two candles is where I should have got in. So whenever I see a move, if I'm not near the entry at the time, because price was up here at the time I was really looking at it and noticing it, then I don't get in. So if I missed an entry, if I missed a trade, I don't get in. I just watch. Google works wonders. What time frame do you get into trades? Well, I mean, you're just gonna have to watch the stream and see, because it depends. You know, it depends on what we're trading. It depends on the trade setup. You see us enter on the 15. Sometimes you see us enter on the 5 minute when there's a lot of volatility. Sometimes we enter on 30-minute breaks. Sometimes we enter on the hourly. It's kind of rare when we enter on the hourly, but we do sometimes. So it really depends, honestly. "30 minutes till news." Yep, 30 minutes till news. Good call, y'all. Good call. So I was looking for price to come up to this area, not touch the box, but I figured at least come up towards this line or this line and retrace for sells, but it didn't. So I do stick to my plan, and since it didn't do that, I'm not hopping in sells right now. I'm just gonna watch it for now. Okay. No background music? Oh, you can't hear it? It says that it's on. Let me turn it up. Oh, wait, too loud. Thank you for letting me know it was too low. Can you hear it now? It's a vibe, word. Vibing now. What are you looking for entry? Right now, I feel like we missed these gold buys, so I'm just waiting to see how it acts on this line. Really, you look for a setup first, then you look for an entry. So first you have to look for a setup. So if there's no setup, then you can't really look for an entry, you know what I mean? We got news today at 8:15 for US30. You think it will be gonna shoot down the market? Good question. Yeah, so In our back testing last night, we actually didn't back test the news for US30, but we can do that right now while we're waiting. But in general, we didn't really see it do too much. We've seen moves happen before the news, after the news, so we'll see. Let's see. When was the last time? June 2nd. So this is what we're gonna do. We're on US30. We're gonna go on the 15-minute, and we're gonna go to June 2nd. Wait, was that July 2nd? Am I blind? Oh no, June 2nd. Okay. Wait. And we'll go to 8:15. And let's see what happened last time. Boom, this is what happened last time. A doji. Pretty much. So the last time this news dropped, it kind of was up and down. So no bueno. No bueno, right? But what happened after that? Let's see it on the hourly though. Okay. After the news, we dojied up again. Retested that line again. Then we dropped at 9 o'clock. Interesting. Okay, May 4th. Let's go to May 4th. If you're just not joining the stream, we're just looking at what happened last time this news dropped. If I said that too fast, I am sorry. Alright, last time it dropped. No bueno. No bueno candle. Okay. Let's take a look at this on the hourly. Okay. That's all I wanted to see. So after the news, we got 8:30. Wow, 8:30 brought in the volume, so it was after it. Interesting. Wow. All right, and then one last one. Let's go to March 30th. Let's check this out. Jasper, good morning. No winners allowed. Good morning. Welcome back. Oh wait, what did I say? March 30th. All right, last one. And we will see where we are here. 8:15 is right there. So last time this dropped, no bueno again. So what are we seeing? We're seeing a lot of dojis, so I don't really see us executing like that. Okay. We can take a look at it on the hourly though. Just want to see what happened after that. Oh, whoa. 9 o'clock came through with the volume. Okay. Say less. All right, so that was our little, little research for when the news dropped. So yeah, I'm not really expecting much, as you can see. I'm gonna delete that. I'm gonna keep this. And I'm gonna keep this like this. So we're just gonna be watching. Not expecting much based off of what we just saw. I think go over reverse around 1720 is supply zone at 1724. So I was thinking it may reverse right here where I have this line. There's that at 1717. But we'll see. If we get that reversal, I think that'll be good too. John, good morning, John. Hi. So much to learn. Yeah. News doesn't Impact 30 too much? Yeah. It didn't seem like it impacted any of these too much. Sometimes it did, sometimes it didn't, but it's not like other news drops, so I don't think we're going to see too much. SMC Trading, good morning. What's up, Vive? So for those who don't know, SMC Trading is Vive. Vive is going to be coming back to do another workshop for y'all very, very soon for the members. So those of you who are members, remember workshops are for super supporters. We have a lot of exclusive bonus content. Okay. Man, y'all been getting London sessions. Y'all been getting a lot of workshops this week. We're supposed to just be doing workshops on Saturdays. We've been doing a lot this week. Lots of information's been pouring out. So, been having a very, very educational week. And it looks like we're probably going to be doing it on Sunday. Just a heads up. This Sunday will probably be the next workshop with Vive. We didn't come up with a time yet, so just bear with us. We'll probably have a time for you by the end of the week. Just look out in the Discord for it, but I'm excited. How many caps do you have? I have a lot of hats, so we're gonna do a special stream one day, and we're actually gonna show you the bucket of hats, and we're gonna have you guess, and then whoever gets the closest is gonna get some cash, big money cash. We're gonna do it like that. I'll be surprised if someone gets the exact number. Spoiling us. Let's see, what's GJ doing? Come on, GJ. Not giving us much, so I'm honestly not expecting too much today from GJ. Maybe we may get something later on around 10 o'clock, but it's not giving right now, you know. As far as gold goes, we missed those buys, so right now I'm trying to see if she retraces off of this line. Other than that, looking at US30, we were looking to see if US30 retraced off of this line, so, or this zone rather. So we're just being patient. We will pull up NAS as soon as 9 o'clock comes, around that time, so we're just waiting. Fam. We do have New York open in about the next 4 minutes at 8 o'clock. And we do the question of the day. So if you're new to the stream, we do the question of the day during New York open. All right. I'm just going to check the Discord to see if someone sent in a question. Let's see. Topic of the day. No one sent anything in. Okay. So let me know in the chat. What do you want the topic of the day to be? Yeah, we putting in work. Yeah. Thinking sells around 31,850 down to 31,450. 31,850. Yeah, yep. That's exactly. Oh, I delete my line. That's exactly where I had this. Yep. That's what I'm thinking too. So topic of the day, you can say like, oh, let's compare this. What's better, this or this? How do you do this? You know, it could be anything. Let's see. How do we know when all that stuff is going on? Chillin', good morning. How do you know when what's going on? Not sure what you're talking about, but if you're talking about things for the membership, you gotta look in the Discord and the announcements. Everything is always updated in the announcements. Anytime you don't know what's going on, check the announcements. Risk management, how to control your emotions, accepting new blessings. That's interesting. Supply and demand. So the 50% IMB and the supply and demand and all that is explained through the membership. So those of you who are interested in that, you're going to have to become a super supporter. I have workshops on that. All we do is break that down for hours and hours and hours. So if you want to know more about that, that's what the premium content is for. Linz, your workshops are very valuable. You teach people more than patterns, but you make us think like the market maker. Appreciate it in the community. Thanks, Danny. Appreciate that, Danny. Hey, Danny, we may be related, Danny. I see your last name. Besides my last name, that's the majority of my family's last name. So I don't know, Danny. We may be related. Where are you from, Danny? Accepting losses. You be proud of me, Linz. I'm drinking fresh water, not coffee. Let's go. Have a lot of hunters in New York. Morning. From Toronto, Canada. How do you know when you're profiting? Like, how do you know when you're in profit? How do you know when you're in profit? The workshops are like having one-on-ones. Appreciate that, y'all. I'm glad you're enjoying the workshops. How do you know when you're in profit? Was that the question? Well, it's the same way you know that you're not in profit, right? It's the same way you know that you're losing. You just look at your MT4, MT5, whichever one you're using, whatever terminal you're using. I don't know if you're using TradingView, whatever broker you're using, but you look at your P&L and you can see. I mean, you can see it move up and down. Other than that, if you can't figure it out from looking at it, I don't know what to tell you. You know? Maybe get new glasses. Maybe go see an eye doctor. You know, there's different things you can do. First step, maybe getting some insurance, though. You ain't got no insurance. GG's. All right, y'all. It's 8 o'clock, New York Open. Here we go. Just scrolling through here, seeing what the opening volume's doing to everything. Okay, gold, very interesting. Which is more delicious, steaky bacon or bacon? Yo. Okay, so it seems like most of the questions was about fear and greed and risk management stuff and stuff like that. So I guess we'll combine that. We'll combine that into one topic of the day of, okay, how to get over greed, right? Greed is a drug, because even when you figure out how to trade, you're making money, you're doing good, you start making money you never seen before. Yeah, you never seen that type of money before. You're gonna start to get greedy. So here's my tips. Here's the only tip I can give you. You have to understand that that amount of money is not a lot of money. I'm gonna say it again. $1,000 is not a lot of money. Now I know you're out there, you're like, Linz, that is a lot of money. I get it. It is a lot of money to some people. Yes, you need that, but change your perspective in life. It's not a lot of money. That's gone like that. Think about how much you're paying in rent. Diamond, what in the world? Are you good? You okay? I hear you back there. And she's just looking at me like she's looking at me like I'm in her room. What? Y'all see this? Bruh, look at her. Yeah. Okay, but you know what I'm trying to say? So you have to treat money like it's not a lot of money. So let me turn this off real quick. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. When you have $100 in your account, treat that like it's $1,000. It's a 10 times rule. Okay? When you have $1,000 in your account, treat it like it's 10K. Mindset. You got to switch your mindset. 10x it. Okay? When you have $100,000 in your account, treat it like it's $1 million. Always think ahead. You got to 10x the way you're thinking about money. Okay? I promise you, with that psychology and that mindset, you're going to see a big difference. Treat it like it's not what it's worth. Treat it like it's 10 times what it's worth. Okay? Let me know if that makes sense in the chat. $10x rule. There you go. Yep. $10x rule. And $100,000 isn't a lot of money either. Now I know you're thinking, Lynn, $100,000 is a lot of money. I get it. You're in that perspective, but it's not a lot of money. Imani, welcome to Super Supporter. Welcome. But just think about it. That will change your whole perspective if you see it that way. And don't get me wrong, I get it. I know it's hard for some people to digest. But just think about it today, and I think you'll see through it. If it was a lot of money, it'd be able to last you, right? If someone, imagine if they're like, okay, you get $100,000 cash right now, but you can't work the rest of your life. Well, how long is that going to last you? It ain't going to last that long, So just think about it. You need... A lot of people aren't educated about money. That's why a lot of people don't have money, but, they don't want to educate people about money. But I know a lot of money tricks. Lots of them. Part of one of my degrees, chat, one of the degrees that I have, if you want to be technical, I am a professional financial advisor. I am a professional at money. So if we want to be technical, my degree. So I do know a lot of money secrets, a lot of money psychology. But yeah. All right, US30's headed up there. Gold is coming down. GJ's in the same spot. What's up, gold? All right, gold. That's cool. US30 still sticking with the same bias that I'm sticking to. Let's see. So again, if you're just now joining the stream, I'm thinking that US30 was going to come up here to retrace back down. That's what I'm looking for. What's the name of this song? Let's see. Homer said. Dahlia, something like that. I think I spelled the name wrong. Hold on, let me double check the name for you by the artist. That's the name of the song with the artist. Only people knew how much money was traded today. Oh, you know what? Let me see if I can get that. Let me see. I want to show you something really cool. Wait, can I only see it when I'm logged in? How do I get to that screen? Hold on, y'all. Trying to see if I can show you the screen where they show how much Bitcoin is being traded in live real time. It's crazy if you ever seen it. Let me know if y'all ever seen that blockchain screen where it shows how much money is being traded. You can see every single trade being taken. It's crazy by second by second. You'll see $30K, $100, $30, $50K, $20K, $300, $2,000. Like, it's crazy. It just goes and goes and goes and goes and goes. It's all day. I'm trying to see if I can pull it up. I forgot what the link is. Let me know in the chat if you know what I'm talking about. But it's insane. Why can't I find the link? I swear I was looking at it yesterday. Who's that? J. Cole for all. Welcome to the official fam. Denise, good morning. How much pair do we enter now? I'm not sure what that means. Chantel, no, you haven't? Been checking it for a while. Never seen it. Think I have the link. You said it's on Binance? Okay, let me try Binance. What's with this intense music, bro? Bro, what? Let's change the song. What the heck? Was a shark about to come out and bite us? No. Alright, let me see. Where is it? Where is it in Binance? Because I'm on Binance. What's up, Faye? Can't find it. Let's see. Listing on Binance? Oh no, that's not it. Let me click on markets. Click on Bitcoin. Alright, let's see if it shows me here. Hi everyone, first day here. Welcome, welcome. Let's smash the like button. Appreciate that, y'all. Johnny with the good vibes. 5 minutes of news? Yes. 5 minutes of news. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, look at this. 10,000, 5,000, 2,000, 200,000, 7,000, $400, 6 cents. What are you trading for 6 cents? But it's moving. It's moving over here. Y'all see it? Yeah, so these are trades going on right now, y'all. It's pretty cool. Big money being moved around. Second by second by second. Look at 15 grand, 10 grand, 5,800. It's another 10,000, 15,000, 200, 2,000, 1,000. Yeah, it's crazy. All right, y'all. So we got that news coming up. ADP, non-farm employment expectations is low for me personally. But maybe if it's gonna wick, maybe it will. Maybe it'll touch this for us, right? And maybe it'll make this body for us. That's my expectations for the news. Maybe we'll get something like this. Maybe it'll touch this line for us. Other than that, I'm still waiting for 31850 to be touched, or this line up here to be touched. As soon as one of these lines are touched, I will be looking for possible reversal. All right, that's gold. That's GJ. Back on US30. Here we go. Broker Henko Trades right there on the screen. Henko Trade. Henko Trade. Please look at gold. I'm looking at what I'm focusing on. So if we're focused on entering a trade on a pair, then we're focused on that pair, right? If you really want to look at gold that bad, then you can look at your chart and look at gold, right? You have a chart you can pull up, right? Why I gotta look at it if you got it? I'm not focused on gold. There's nothing there for me to look at. In fact, we actually just peeked at it 2 minutes ago if you're paying attention. That 6 cents made some guy a millionaire 15 years ago. Discord link pinned to the top of the chat. It's at the top of the chat right there. But you have to be a member, so you gotta be a member to have access. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. News. There we go. Music's loud. Okay, let me see. Oh, you know what? I think it's just that song. Thank you for letting me know. All right, we're in the golden zone, y'all. We're in the golden zone. Let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Will we touch 31850? Will we touch it? 8 pips away? No. 10 pips away? 2 pips away? 3 pips away? 9 pips away. Whoa. 7 pips away. Are we gonna touch it? 4 pips away. 10 pips away. It's close. It's close, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna enter any sells on this candle. I'm actually gonna wait for this candle to close. New here, join the Discord but can't access the chat. Don't know why. So let me see what it says when you join the Discord. Let's see. Join the Discord. Let's see. Let me pull it up. Okay, so when you first join, you come into the verify section. To gain access to the official community, you need to prove you're a human by completing the CAPTCHA. Click the button below to get started. Verify. Cool. Welcome. To gain full access. Step 1, please read and accept the rules. Step 2, verify yourself. Step 3, paid members connect your YouTube here. Frequently asked questions here. Okay, if you need help, create a ticket in support. Okay, so I need help because I don't know what's going on. So let me create a ticket in support. Create a ticket in support. Boom, create a ticket. My ticket is 680. Okay, let's go to ticket 680. Please state your issue and a staff will be with you shortly. Oh, hi staff. Hi Sleepless. Thank you for helping me. I have a problem. I joined the Discord, not sure I don't have access. No, This is a paid server. Please make sure you are a paid member to gain full access. Oh, wait, I didn't pay. Maybe that's why I don't have access. All right, let's see. Step 1, read the rules. Yep. Step 2, verify. Okay. Step 3, filed membership. Okay. I don't... Oh, I got 2 people here helping me. I don't have access. I need help. Can I get some help? I need help. What's going on? I gotta be like some of y'all. What rules? I gotta be like some of y'all. This is all day, chat. This is all day, every day. Yeet this one, mods. No! Verify. Oh, I gotta verify myself. Okay. Is this a paid server? Okay, I got people talk to. Yes, it's a paid server. Oh, it's a paid server? Oh, I didn't pay. That's why I don't have. That's crazy. I didn't pay. Okay. Okay. That's crazy. Well, I'm just gonna close this ticket. I'm not paying. I'm not paying for this crap. Bro, I'm not paying for this crap, bro. Forget that. I'm out. I'm out. Forget that server. Got my own damn server. All right, we got 10 minutes left here on this section. Rivki Ika, welcome to the official fam. I'm sorry if I pronounced your name wrong. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, y'all. So I am waiting for this candle to close. We are waiting for the candle to close. That's what we're waiting for. You just couldn't touch the line, huh? Look at this pettiness. You just couldn't touch that line. How far away did we get? Two pips away? Are you kidding? 2 pips away from touching that line. All right. I see the pettiness. All right, we got 9 minutes to the close. Depending on how the next candle forms, we may possibly take a sell on the next candle. I needed that laugh. Thank you. Don't worry, we're gonna get a whole bunch of those in the next hour. It's probably gonna be 2 more of those, 2-3 more of those. By the end of the day, there's gonna be a lot of those, but it's every day. Right. A steep rejection here, gold. So I was expecting gold to come up here to reject, but it just never did. 32 pip liquidity grab. Wow. A 30 pip drop. Not bad. The mods eat this one got me rolling. How can you tell how much time's left on the candle? Over here it says 7 minutes and 45 seconds. GJ. Yeah, I may end up being a doji. Ooh, oh man. It may be a sell, man. Nah. Maybe we should have took it here. Maybe, I don't know. 7 minutes. Wait for us, US30. I mean, if anything, we will take notes. If we're not able to get into the sell, we'll take notes into maybe next time. Just taking the sell when it was near that point, but we'll see. That's tough, US30. Got a sniper here in gold 1 minute for 50 pips. Nice. You know how petty the market is? Yeah. Yeah, she's like, oh, I came towards that point, you know. Let's take a look at this on the hourly. Okay. Okay. Well, if we didn't get in up there, we're just gonna have to wait, you know. Tony said it did touch. Oh, you said it touched the 865. All right, let me see here. 4 minutes left, y'all. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Good morning, Camilo. I see you. Patience, y'all. Patience. Y'all sound like y'all are panicking in the chat. You notice that? You ever read the chat? It sounds like y'all are panicking. Relax. Relax. You're letting your emotions get to you. You shouldn't have any emotion about this. All right, 3 minutes. Gotta practice, you know. Practice just woosah, woosah, you know. Just practice. About to be a member, no cap. Appreciate that plus. Amikan, no FOMO. There we go. No FOMO. No FOMO, y'all. We miss it, we miss it. Exactly, we miss it, we miss it. You can't have FOMO. It sounds like y'all are building up a lot of FOMO. Now, we've been waiting all morning. We've literally been waiting all morning for her to come up to this spot. Even right here, we're like, oh man, but what we do? Did we get in cells here? No. We're waiting for our setup, right? You see that? We're waiting for our setup. We've been waiting since the candle was over here. Okay? Don't panic. Now we have 2 minutes left, so let's talk about this a little bit more. So now that the candle's about to close, we did hit that retracement zone. So I'm thinking we're either going to retrace off of this area or that line. And it looks like we you know, looks like we're retracing. So we do have a bank zone here, and we do have the low of this 15-minute candle. So what I'm thinking is I may look at possible sells below here, right? Actually, I think I have a template for that. Do I have a template for that? Yeah, I don't have to type that out. Okay. All right. There's a bank zone about 8 pips above it as well. Okay, right now we're just kind of consolidating within that zone. Let's take a look at it on the 1 minute. Ooh, we had a break of structure here, and then we're coming back up. So my super supporters, we talked about those break of structures and price coming back up. We can look at that zone. We can look at this zone. And we can really look at either of these zones. There's 2 zones here. Let me see on the 5 minute. $30 seconds. All right, something impossible sells below this area, so make sure you are ready. And we can see it right here, so we're gonna watch it on the 15 minute. Let's see if the next wick retraces in this area. I'm gonna put a notification on, so you're gonna know. You'll know when. All right, I'm on the 15 minute. Make sure you have a low risk, because this may be a pretty big stop loss. Maybe 24 pip stop loss. Alrighty. Stops above here for 24 pips. Target 1. We got target 2. And we have TP12. Let me just edit this. What's up, y'all? How we doing? Let's make sure we like the stream. You're getting free trades. You're getting free analysis. Let's make sure we like the stream. Come on, y'all. I know you can like the stream. You're here for free. Nobody's charging you. You know I can charge you per stream. Come on now. Don't hold out. You hold out that energy is going to come right back onto you. We're not charging you a penny. We're not charging you a single cent dollar for you to sit here and learn. All we're asking is for a free like. You want something for free? All we're asking is for one thing for free. That's all we're asking. Appreciate that, y'all. Appreciate it. $1.4K. Oh, really? Appreciate that, y'all. Number 242, nice. The setup is on the screen for the slow bus. Damien's funny. Thanks, Tiffany. Aja, good morning. Good morning to you. Can't even hear the music though. What's up with that? Appreciate y'all liking the stream. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. All right, now that we're in a trade, I mean, there's nothing for us to do but wait to see if it hits TP or if it hits the stop loss, right? So I'll be able to read the chat a little bit more now. Gold is being gold. Oh wow, GJ ended up coming down. It's still, it's still choppy, right? It's still choppy, so it is what it is. We did good leaving it alone. We got 13 minutes left. $8.35. This should be at 8.35. 8.35. Just so you know where mine is. It's at 8.35. So 40 pips. Somewhere around here. 8.35. Let me edit it. I left a little bit of room just in case. 7 minutes. We got about 7 minutes. You said gold will fall. Brokers on the screen. Henkel trades right there on the screen. Hi, Brian. Welcome back, Brian. Why delete his message? The mods delete whatever the mods delete, so don't question the mods. Whatever gets deleted gets deleted. The mods decide to do that, then they decide to do that. When you have your own stream, then you can delete whatever you want to delete, right? You could have your moderators delete whatever you want to delete. So don't come here asking questions. We do what we do, and that's it. Whatever we say goes. Don't like it, go to another stream. Straight up. Piece of advice for someone who hasn't traded for a long time, ready to rally, committed to it now. Yeah, I mean, if you haven't traded for a long time, I would just say get to studying, put in the work. If you're going to get back into it, then make sure you're dedicating yourself to put in the work. If you're not going to dedicate yourself to put in the work, then don't waste your time, because then you're just wasting your time. What happened to the announcement? We've been announcing it every single day. Every single day. Insults are arguments. Welcome to the official fam. I see you, fam. What's up? What's up? Welcome, welcome, welcome. She's just waiting for GJ and Gold. Nathan with the purple rain. I see you. Would you have for breakfast? I didn't have breakfast yet. I didn't eat yet. I'll have breakfast after the stream. What's your thoughts on NAS? We didn't look at NAS yet. We are going to look at it soon. We're going to look at it probably in, the next, 20 minutes or so. Yeah, maybe the next 20 minutes we'll take a look at NAS. So hold your horses. We get into it. Don't worry, we get into it. I'ma be Frank the artist. What's up? Welcome, welcome. Books for trading. Check out the Discord. Check out the description. There's books there as well. How to use your fib. I have a video called Master Sniper Entries, and it has a sniper on it with the Fibonacci on it on the thumbnail. Check out that one. That one's for the fib. Dabo, hey, what's up? What's up, Tumalo? Have breakfast after we catch it. Yeah, we can't have breakfast unless we make money. Edgar, welcome to Super Supporter. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Appreciate that. Dabo, big fan. What's up, Dabo? Rages, feels like a blueberry muffin day, yeah? Maybe, Maybe we on some blueberry muffin days. I don't know. We just maybe. I'll tell you what, I'm definitely getting me an iced coffee after this. 100% getting me an iced coffee for sure. Not an iced coffee, a frozen coffee, excuse me. Edgar, welcome to Super Support. I forgot if I said welcome, Edgar. Welcome, welcome. New here, can you break down the trade? Yeah, I gave the whole analysis. You're just going to have to rewind the stream and check out the US30 analysis. Just go to the beginning of the stream. You'll see we did GJ first, then we did gold, then we did US30 in that order, okay? A guy with a pin, good morning. GJ's choppy for you? Yeah, it's being too choppy for me too today. Any tips for beginners? Make sure that you are willing to put in the work before you start, because then there's no point in starting. If you're not going to get up here and read, if you're not going to get up here and study for hours, if you're not going to dedicate time to this, then there's no point, because it does take time to learn it, just like anything else. Also, if you're new, probably take one trade a day and just study it, right? One trade a day and study it. All right, we got 22 seconds. $22 seconds left here. All right, this is the next 15-minute candle. Just a heads up, it's the second half of the 30-minute as well. Okay. So we got another 15 minutes. How do you stop overtrading? Just stop trading. Simple. Don't take out a trade. It's not that hard. You just don't do it. It's a personal choice, right? When you come onto the chart, you decide, you know, you're the person that presses the entry button, right? You press buy or sell, so you're the person that decides that. So just don't take the trade. You know? Quite simple. All right, so it's looking like this 30-minute candle wick down and is pushing back up. So now that we're looking at this, we may see price come up to test this again, which means our stop loss is not in a good spot. So I'm gonna say cut the trade. So let's see here. It's 35 pips. So I cut the trade here at 35 pips. Because I feel like if it comes back up, it's going to come past where our stop loss is. So we may need to evaluate that entry. So I'm going to take all that off. And I'm going to add for today's trades US30 sells minus 35 pips. So we may just come back up here Let me put this line back on. I may give this trade another chance if it tests off this line. Let's see. Think it wants to complete the imbalance? Possibly. I just joined your live. Welcome, welcome. First time here. Welcome, welcome. Wow. Glad we're not in gold. What's GJ doing? Wow. Okay, GJ. Interesting. Don't need that no more. He was playing a lot around here. GJ wouldn't have been too bad. Alright, US30, give us something good. Let's see if she gets up to that line. Thanks, Linz. It's okay. It's not best to trade US30 during NYSE. Not sure what you mean by it's not best, but I guess you're just gonna have to watch the stream. Not sure what you mean by that. Good morning, Sunny from Portugal. Good morning. I called that GJ rip. GJ made 40 pips. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Someone actually made money on GJ. Y'all built different. Bless. Good morning to you. Good morning. It's the first time I copy your position, finish with the CL. Well, that's the problem. You're copying what I'm doing. Don't copy what I do. You should be taking trades because it aligns with what you do, right? You should be taking trades because you understand what's going on, because it aligns with the plan that you're following every single day. You should have a plan. If it doesn't make sense, if it doesn't align with your plan, then you shouldn't be taking it. You know what I mean? Because then you're going to develop bad habits. Dante, welcome, welcome. Made money in London during GJ. Oh, for GJ, nice. 100 pips on GU sells in the morning. Nice, Steve, nice. Wante. Small chillin', what's up, small chillin'? What's up, fam? I see you. Yo, Rages is funny. Oh my goodness. Lost 85 pips during London session on gold. My question is, who was that? Who said that? Abdullah Malik. I'm gonna call you Malik. I'm sorry. I can't pronounce your whole name. Malik, you lost 85 pips on gold during London session, right? What was your take profit? Your risk was 85 pips? You're risking 85 pips on a trade. What was your take profit? That's what I want to know. $1.3K watching. Hi, Vidar. See you. Allie McKinney, good morning. Thoughts on GJ? I'm not in those buys, so I don't really have thoughts on it. Nothing to think about. Nothing to think about. So, figured gold was gonna pull up to here, but it pulled up a lower. Interesting. All right, US30. About 5 minutes left here. Your TP was 100 pips. So you risked 85 pips for 100 pips. Is that what you're telling me? Does that make sense to you? Let me know if that makes sense. That's... Let me do this out. 85 pips for 100 pips. Does that seem realistic as a risk to reward? No, it does not. That's not good. That's not good. Right? So that's the same thing as risking $8,000 for $10,000. You're gonna risk $8,000 for $10,000? No, that's not good. Okay, that's the same thing as risking $800 for $1,000. Same thing as risking $80 for $100. No bueno. No good. Get that risk management down. For Hinkle Trade, check out my Hinkle Trade video if you're asking about the accounts. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. When you click on it, it tells you the differences. But, I mean, if you need to hear me say it, then you can click on the Hinkle Trade video I made. But, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. Go better come down and stop playing games. Oh, just waiting here. Just waiting. Markets seem to move slowly this past week. What's up, Shay? You have to be a member to join the challenge. Oh, speaking of that, today is the last day to sign up for the challenge. So those of you who signed up, you should be receiving a message from me later on. So just make sure that your DMs are open so that you can see it, okay? So let me pull it up here. We have... Looks like we got 30 people signed up. So there's 30 people signed up for the trading competition. Today is the last day to sign up. All you have to do is be a member. So those of you who are members just now joining today, you're lucky. Today's the last day to sign up if you want to sign up. Alrighty, only way to see it is to be in the Discord and to be a member. So once you get all set, click on signups. and you'll see everything there for the trading competition. Sound good? Sound good? All right. 2 minutes. We finally touched that bank zone. Interesting. Got a headache. See the monitor for 2 hours. No. Market sign up for NFP. Yep. Gold about to give some people's high blood pressure. Very, very testy. Yep. Man, 20 seconds? 20 seconds. Oh my goodness. $20. What will we ever do, y'all? Lisa, welcome to the official fam, Lisa. Those of you who are new to trading, the spreads on your brokers will be different depending what account you sign up with, as it says, right? If you read it. As far as TradingView numbers are different than your broker's numbers. As always, it's always been that way. Nothing has changed. Just a heads up. All right, this is the new candle here. It's 9 o'clock. Excuse me. So what I'm waiting to see is if price touches my line up here. Okay, so that's pretty much what I'm waiting for now. This right here. I'm waiting to see if price touches this line. About 19 pips away. So if price touches this line, let me get my candlesticks. If price does touch this line, right, and then it starts wicking, and then it starts to, well, if it creates a wick and it comes down here to where it opens, and then if it flips bearish, then that's going to be what we would have wanted to see, right? Okay, so let's see if we get this play. If not, then not. But that's pretty much the last play I'm looking for in US30 today. Just a heads up. Yeah, those of you that keep asking me what my spread is, my spread has nothing to do with your spread, right? My account and your account, two different accounts, so it's really irrelevant. You know, if you keep looking for reasons not to sign up for something, if you keep looking for reasons not to do something, then just don't do it, right? If you keep looking for reasons not to trade, don't trade. You keep looking for reasons not to sign up with the broker, don't sign up with the broker. you know? The only way to figure things out is to actually do something sometimes. You gotta learn how to actually do something for yourself and just figure it out. That mindset you have is not gonna get you anywhere. Gotta change that mindset. Try to solve problems yourself. Gotta try that. Really, really gotta try that. Okay, so we are coming up here, just taking a look at gold, taking a peek at GJ, just being a little nosy. Don't see nothing much. Thanks, Felix. Like my transparency. Thank you. Well, the spread changes. The spread changes depending on what's going on in the market. You do realize that, right? It's not a constant. It's not a fixed number. I mean, you can either sign up and find out with a demo account, right? You can use a demo account. Or you can continue waiting for people to give you answers in life, which will get you nowhere. You gotta be a go-getter. Don't be waiting for nobody to answer you. Go out there and go get it. That's how you get money. You gotta be a go-getter. Don't wait on nobody. Don't ever wait on anybody. Now, the only reason I'm not answering you is because I want you to change your mindset. That's the only reason why. I'm helping you. Which wallet do you use? Coinbase. Coinbase wallet. It's the link should be down below. Let me see. Yeah, it is. You should see the link under the My Forex funds. Coinbase. Let me put this away here. Sorry, chat, I'm just changing something real quick. Okay, y'all, we did tap that bank zone, y'all. We got 7 minutes. We still didn't tap the line though. Oh my goodness. Can we tap that line for the one time? I need coffee, right? Yo, I really need coffee. I'm dying over here. That's what I need. I really need some coffee. After the stream, I'm going straight to get some coffee, no lie. Looks like US30 is trying to fill it. Looks like it. We'll see. It'd be nice if it does. 700 likes. Thank you, y'all. Appreciate that. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much for liking the stream. I'd love to say, where the music go? Come on, US30. Hit that line for us. That's all we want. That's all we want in life. We just want you to hit the line, then come back down. That's all we want in life. Right, chat? We don't want nothing else in life, just that. That's all we want for Christmas right now. Fedge is funny. Market moving mad right now. Done for the day. Thoughts on GJ? It looks the same as I looked at it like a couple minutes ago. I peeked at it. It looks the same that it's looked in the last hour, honestly. What happens when it fills? Oh, what happens when it fills right here? So if it touches that line, or even if it rejects this line, we're looking for potential sells again. Potential. I know we got to do our NAS analysis. We're a little behind here. Where do you stay? Yo, are we touching that line? Did we just touch that line? Okay. Okay. So, if she comes back down to where this bank zone is, then I may look for some sells here. Okay? Because then that would mean she's starting to reject. She touched the line, chat. She touched the line, chat. She touched it. Although it is kind of looking like a W, though. No lie. Let's see. Second line is near that bank zone. Okay, so she may go up a little bit more. It could go up a little bit more, y'all. It could definitely go up a little bit more. Arash, what's up? Welcome. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna draw that one more time and draw in that line, then I'm gonna delete the rest of these lines because it's too much. Appreciate you joining there. Boom. Now we're gonna go down to the 15-minute. Okay. So this is the other line she could possibly. What? Oh, I was about to say, I swore I like. Let's make this blue. Whoa, what type of English am I on? Okay, there we go. Zone. Okay. 2 minutes left here. I'm gonna switch out gold for NAS. Wow, they all look like they want to go up now, I'm not gonna lie. Well, on NAS we have this huge imbalance. I mean, definitely see us getting up here. Can definitely see that. We'll see. I don't know, I feel like it may just shoot like crazy, so we'll see. I may stay on a little longer today to get a better setup, but I don't really see much. I think we're gonna focus on this US30 here. 1 minute. If we touch this yellow line, we may think about possible entries here. Okay. Stop loss got to be the height of the candle, you know, the high. Three, two, one. It may be an immediate entry. Let's see. And maybe get ready. Here we go. Boom. Right. Stops above here for 31. Ah. That's not what I meant to do. Will we redeem ourselves? Is the real question. Okay, stops at break even just because we lost the first trade. Let's take all that risk off the table right now. No risk, risk free. Risk free should be up about 14 pips or so. Yeah, about 14 pips you should be up. So you can see, I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me look at my camera again. So you can see the stop losses there. Good luck. Yeah, we don't need luck this time. Well, only luck we need is not to get stuck at break even. But other than that, oh, there we go, break even. We wanted to take that risk off the table just because the way she acted the first time, you know. Okay, so that was at break even, but there may be another opportunity. I mean, at least we didn't lose nothing there. What is IMB? That's for the premium content for the super supporters. That's all explained there. Don't jinx it, Rages. Rages. Let's see what NAS is doing here. GJ is about the same. Oh, let me add that to today's trades. US30 break even. He finally got a real job. Think huge correction Friday with NFP lands. It could be a possibility. $9.30. Yeah, it could pop in at 9:30. Just playing around. We got 10 minutes. Guess we're gonna wait up to 10 minutes. All right, chat. You want to do a Wardo or something? Let me see what y'all say in the chat. Nerdle. Alright, because we got 8 minutes to waste, so. What's gold look like? Oh my goodness. That's tough. All this extraness before 9:30, huh? Alright, let's do it. Wordle for 7 minutes. Then we'll hop back over here. Fall Guys? Nah, not by the time I load it up, but 7 minutes probably be over. Alright, do we have a 5-letter word, y'all? Let's keep our minds sharp while we're waiting out last couple minutes here. Let me know, 5-letter word. Anybody? Going once, going twice. Money, peace, money. Money, 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 money. We like money. We really like money over here. Ooh, there's an E in the word. You said price? Roger. Rage is manifesting it over here. Price. That tries out some letters we didn't have yet. Wow. W for the price. W suggestion, William. So it's not C. So what is it? Prize? It's got to be prize, right? Because it can't be. Yeah, I mean, it can't, or it could be pride. Let's try prize. Let's go. In 3 tries, we actually did it this time without cheating. But no, that was too quick, chat. What are we going to do now? What we finna do while we wait now? What we gonna do? Man, y'all. All right, how about some blackjack? We got 5 minutes left. You want to play some blackjack? How we feeling in the chat? Another world? No, you only get one a day. It only lets you get one. Yeah? Okay. Let's see. All right. 2,500 to stake. How much we betting? 100? 500? How much should we bet? We got 2,500. Are y'all still guessing words? I think you're behind in the stream. 200? Okay. 200, let's do it. Ooh, 20. Let's stand. Easy. Okay, we went 200. 200 again, all right. 18, easy, standing. What? Yo, that's rigged, bro. How you get... Are you serious? That's rigged. $12. I mean, we got a hit. We're at 12. What type of number is 12? I pressed the wrong button, chat. I'm not gonna lie. Dealer wins. Are you lying? A 3? You had a 3 and a 10 and you got to 20? Are you kidding? Where we at? 1900? Oh, whoa. 11. We gotta double down. Let's go. 15? Yo, this game is so rigged, bro. 15? That's cap. That is so cap. All right, 17. Push. Oh yeah, of course when we tie, that's what it does, right? That's crazy. All right, let's deal 7. Let's hit 17. Okay. All right. All right, buddy. We're down to 1,300, chat. I don't know. Oh, we got 2 minutes left. Okay. We got 2 minutes left. Said look at US30, yeah. She stopped us out at break even, chat. She stopped us out at break even. Now she's down 27 pips. That's tough. Now we're breaking the low of the previous. Oh, maybe we would have been good if we kept our stop loss above the current candle. Might have been good. You say go all in. All right, let's do 500. Let's split. What? I can't split again? In real life, you can. 17 and 16. Let's go. Wait, hold on. Oh, we broke even. All right, we got 1 minute left. $1 minute left. $1,000 bet. All right, 1,000. 7? Huh? Are you lying? 9, 10. Come on. 21. Oh, 20, 20. All right, all right. Bet. Yo! There's no way. Are you serious? Chat. That's cap. You know. Come on. All right, we're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. Here we go. We got 20 seconds now on US30. Let's focus on US30. Next candle starts climbing down here. We may be off for the race. Dang, chat. We would have been up 50 pips right now if we didn't get stopped at break even. 50 pips we would have been up if we didn't get stopped at break even. All y'all talking about, I thought it was a buy. I thought it was a buy. You're not looking at my analysis. I thought it was a buy. You're ignoring my analysis. Get out your emotions, bro. 80 pips this would have been for us. That's tough. Just touched that bank zone there. TP1 smash. Nice. You can get stopped at break even. Nice. Beautiful. 80 pips. Let's see. She's touching that bank zone. Oh, she may be out of here, y'all. Jeez. Go ahead, US30. So I did get into sells here, but not fast enough to show y'all. But I mean, I can show y'all. But it was quick. It was quick. It was quick. Quick and dip. So I'm not going to count it. Not going to count it because it was quick. Nice. So just imagine this. Our entry was supposed to be up here. We would have been up 100 pips right now. Jeez. I owe you my financial life. Haha. For everyone who thought it was going to be a buy, I mean, what was our analysis the whole morning? What was our analysis the whole morning? Come again? I think not. Silence, huh? Silence. Straight off of this line too. Can we get a W in the chat for this zone though? Whether you're in it or not, can we get a W in the chat for this golded zone? 155 pips from that zone, chat. 155 pips from that zone. We had this zone up here since the morning. Early morning, bruh. Golded zones. It's almost 200 pips. Now, that was going to be TP2 right here. TP3 was down here. This was going to be TP3. So, I don't know if it's going to get all the way down there, but that's what TP3 was going to be. If you go back to the beginning of the stream, you will see all of that. Actually, we don't have to cap. Let's go to the beginning of the stream. Nah. Let's go see what happened before this happened. What happened at the beginning of the stream? What kind of commercial is this? L commercials. Buy ads. Let's go to the beginning of this live stream. US30. Look at us filling out these lines as price started to come up here. When price was down here. Thanks, no problem. Let's fast forward this a little bit. That was when we made our zone. Price is coming up here more. Huh? What? Who? What? Where and why? Before it happened? Yeah? We said that before it happened? We had an early entry. We made an early entry by mistake. Then we had a good entry this time, but we put it at break even. Tony, appreciate that, Tony. Thanks for the $1, Tony. We getting some coffee. This was the early entry we had, so this was the mistake we made. Are you streams daily? Yes, every day. This was the second entry we had here, which was this entry right here. If you're just joining us, put stops at break even. Oh, put stops at break even. So it ended up stopping us out at break even right here. See that? Got stopped out at break even, so we took it off. So, but if we didn't put stops at break even, we would have been up 155 pips right now. No cap. Beautiful. So lessons learned today. Lesson number 1. Because I'm about to end the stream. Let's go through our lessons of the day. What did we learn today? On GJ was too choppy for us, so we did do an analysis, but it wasn't to our liking, so didn't see any setups, so we stayed out of it. We stayed out of the choppiness. We did a good job. Lesson number 2 on gold. By the way, I'm going to start doing these at the end of the streams. We're going to be doing our lessons that we learned. On gold, what were the lessons we learned today on gold? Well, on gold, not much. I mean, we thought that this news was going to do a doji, so we were correct on that. As far as these buys, I think these buys over here would have been really good for us, so we didn't take those. But next time, we will look into that for gold. We will look into these buys. Other than that, choppy, stay away from it. NAS. I didn't really see too much on NAS. I did see an imbalance up here, but if I see US30 coming down, then that means NAS has to come down, right? So my analysis didn't make sense here, so that's why I didn't go to NAS today. US30, last but not least, the best of the best. We got stopped at break even here. We would have been up 155 pips, so that's okay. Earlier on, we took an early entry. We learned our lesson. Wait for it to go to our zone. Not our zone, but our line. So next time we'll wait for it to go to our line. We're not going to take any early entries. Sounds good? W recap? Where we at? We chilling? We good? Sounds good. Thank you so much for watching the stream. Thank you for the 800 likes. By the way, we hit 20,000 views on yesterday's stream, chat. 20,000 views. And we had a really big W yesterday, so thank you so much. You know, we took a little L today, but that's just part of the game. So do not let your emotions get to you. This L should not affect you in no type of way. When you decide to trade, you're signing up to risk. That is what it is. We're going to win, we're going to lose. Okay? As you can see, we were down 35 pips, but if we would have won this one, we would have been up 155 pips. So that 155 pips really accounts for that 35, don't it? Okay? So, you know, we have a really good R to R in this stream. Our R to R is insane. Insane. Just to show you what 35 to... Let's do 35. Because I don't feel like doing the math because I'm lazy right now. To 155 Forex returns. That would cover for 4 losses, hypothetically. So, all right, it's the last day of the month. Tomorrow is the first of the month. We have NFP this Friday. This is going to be the last week that you're watching the streams like this. Remember, next week, just to recap you, next week the thumbnails on Monday is going to look like this. So if you want to be updated, make sure you come to Monday's stream so that you are updated. I know it's a holiday. I know the markets are going to be slow. That's why I'm going to be updating you on Monday. I'm going to be showing the live account here. We're going to be showing everything that we're going to be doing for the challenge. We're going to be showing our plan for the challenge, lot sizes, leverage, all that good stuff. Okay? All that good stuff you're going to see. Sounds good? Sound good? Sound good? So, like I said, I know a lot of people haven't seen this yet, so they'll be able to see it. Those of you who are members, the members already seen it. So those of you who aren't members, you're going to see it on Monday. Sounds good? All right, I think it's time for breakfast. It's time for that coffee. Alrighty, y'all. This is your host, Official, and I'm out. Make sure you have a blessed day. Make sure you spread positivity. All right, keep a smile on your face.